Hi guys, this is Blessed. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you on how to fix a laptop, a HP laptop that does not charge up to 100%. Maybe the laptop stop at 67, 73, 76, 79, but does not reach up to 100%. So I'm going to teach you on the easiest way to fix a laptop that does not charge up to 100%. So this is HP ELITEBOOK 840 G3. So if you have a laptop, a HP laptop that is HP ELITEBOOK 840 G3 or G4 or HP ELITEBOOK 1030 G2 S360 or 1030 G4 G5 G6 that does not charge up to 100%. So this is the easiest way to fix it. So let's go guys. You on the laptop, you press the F10 key, the setup to go to setup. So this is so it's on. You go to advanced. This is you go down power management options. You click on it. You see. You go to battery health manager. You see, let HP manage my battery charging. If it's not there, you put it at let HP manage my battery charging. Some you can see it here on maximize my battery health. While some laptop you can see it on maximize my battery duration. But the best place to be is let HP manage my battery health, my battery charging. So this is click on it. Then you press F10 key to save your changes. Then you save it. So this is the easiest way to change the battery setting. So if you have done it and the thing does not reach, the problem persists, you know that the battery is not good. So thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to me.